going to show you guys how to build some fuel line or oil line or coolant line, whatever you want to do. Braided line with AN fittings, which are actually JIC fittings. So an AN fitting is a compression type fitting onto the hose. So if you have a braided hose, braided steel, you get braided nylon. If you use it as a oil line, NHRA wants you to have a steel braided line, just so if something explodes, it's not going to tear it in half. So these fittings are two-part type fitting. This will push onto the hose. This threads in. As it threads, it pushes the hose into the body, and it digs in to those ridges in there. You can see that. First, slide this side on. Squish it until it's flush. I like to put a little bit of lubricant on it, help it go in. Silicone lubricant of some sort. Helps slide on the rubber. And then just crank her down. Usually stick it in a vise or two big wrenches. Tighten her down, and then that won't be able to pull out. So we'll measure this up. This is going to be the oil tank to the pump, and I'll show you an easy way to cut. Okay, so I'll show you guys my way of cutting stainless so that you don't stab your hands as much. Black electrical tape, make a mark where you want to cut it, put the tape right over your mark, give it a couple tight wraps of electrical tape. Just like that. Take a thin cut-off wheel, cut down your electrical tape. Make sure you wear your safety glasses like I do. So if you do that and you have the speed up enough and don't force it too much, it'll cut nice, but you're gonna have all this shit in there. So what you gotta do is wash these out after you're done. But once you take the tape off, you can see none of them really stick out too much. They're all pretty much perfect.